I mentioned that I like to dip my bread in parm dip, but many appetizers are served with this dip, such as garlic fries and chicken wings. I even like to dip happy hour pizzas in it. Hey, it's Maher, and to make Earls creamy Parmesan dip, start by combining 1 1/4 cups regular mayonnaise with 1/3 of a cup of sour cream. Whisk everything lightly in a bowl using a hand whisk, as an electric mixer would overbeat the creamy sauce and cause a huge mess. To that, add 3 tablespoons of milk and 3 tablespoons of malt vinegar. You'll notice that the vinegar almost instantly tries to curdle with the dairy products, but mixing it with the eggs and the mayonnaise returns it to a nice emulsified consistency. Next, add 1/2 teaspoon dried oregano, 1/2 teaspoon dried basil, and continue to whisk as you go. Then add 1 tablespoon sugar, 1/2 teaspoon garlic puree, and 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, and continue to mix. Once all the ingredients are mixed well, the dip can be stored covered in the fridge if not serving immediately. Simple enough as it is, this creamy parm dip can be served with anything from fresh veggie sticks to chicken wings, so in all honesty, you might as well have both. Be sure to check out my other cooking videos for more of your Earls favorites, and go to heyitsmaher.com to check out some other stuff I get up to. If you enjoy these Earls cooking videos, please give it a thumbs up, and as always, thanks for watching.